Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, May 28th. Well, it was quite a cool and dry weekend in the Mid-Atlantic region and the northeastern part of the country this past holiday weekend. In fact, the air was so chilly that some snow fell in the higher elevation locations up in New England, for example. Vermont had several inches of snow. Killington, Vermont is actually open for skiing right now after they had more than 6 inches of snow up there. That chilly air mass is retreating right now. A warm front is working its way through the Mid-Atlantic region as we speak, with some scattered showers and embedded thunderstorms. Once that front passes to the north and east by later tomorrow, a very warm and humid air mass will move into the Mid-Atlantic region. In fact, temperatures should be at or above 90 degrees on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, up and down the I-95 corridor from D.C. to Philadelphia to New York City. Really the first heat wave of the season. It does look like there is an end in sight. A strong cold front will approach the Mid-Atlantic region by the end of the day on Sunday, Sunday night, or the first part of Monday, with more showers and thunderstorms. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. Here's that high pressure system that kind of controlled our weather over the weekend. It's now slowly retreating. Warm front is established here just to the south and west of the Mid-Atlantic region right now. It's moving to the north and east. That transition between the cool and dry air that's retreating to the north and east and the very warm and humid air that's already in place down in the south central part of the country is causing a band of showers and thunderstorms basically throughout Pennsylvania, but reaching into the northern part of Maryland and Virginia. And there will be these scattered showers. And some of the rain can actually fall quite heavily at times, as it's quite unstable in certain parts of the atmosphere as this warmer air moves into the Mid-Atlantic region. Once that warm front passes by later tomorrow, it'll be off to the races for temperatures much warmer on Wednesday and really established hot and humid air for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Well, here's the latest GOES visible satellite image of the northeastern part of the country. High clouds right here yesterday. May have noticed a lot of high clouds across the Mid-Atlantic region advancing to the north and east ahead of this strong warm front. Thick clouds here across Pennsylvania with some scattered showers and embedded thunderstorms all the way now into the northern part of Maryland. Again, this is where the warmer air right now is kind of a warm front right here. The warm front is advancing to the north and east, and it'll be a wet transition for the next 12 to 24 hours or so in much of the Mid-Atlantic region, especially north and east of the district, across Pennsylvania and New Jersey throughout the day today into the early part of tonight. Then warmer and more humid air will establish itself by the middle part of the week, and Thursday, Friday, and Saturday look to be quite hot and humid up and down the I-95 corridor. Well, here's the current radar loop from the PennSat EWAL site. Again, Pennsylvania itself is really where all these showers are falling, some extending just to the north of the district, and certainly they can have a scattered shower or thunderstorm, especially to the north of the district. Definitely occasional rain here across southeastern part of Pennsylvania, maybe an embedded thunderstorm or two throughout the day today, and some of that rain can actually fall heavily for a brief time later on this morning into the afternoon hours. All this associated with warmer air pushing to the north and east. The rain will reach New York City by the end of the morning, early part of the afternoon, and continue into the nighttime hours. Dry up in New England for the most part throughout the day, but they too will get some rain out of the warm front advancing to the north and east by the time tomorrow morning rolls around. Well, let's take a look at some surface forecast maps by the GFS 0Z model run. We'll look at 12-hour increments beginning with tonight, Tuesday evening, going right into Thursday morning. And here's basically a band of showers and thunderstorms associated with a warm frontal system that's moving to the north and east. But as it transitions us from the weekend cool and dry conditions, it is causing some showers and thunderstorms. And again, some of that rain can actually fall heavily at times, especially north and east of the Mason-Dixon line, the Pennsylvania-Maryland border, right into the nighttime hours. Dry for the most part up in New England, where they were very chilly this weekend with some accumulating snow. And just in the south and west by tonight, there will be very warm and humid air just on the doorstep of the Mid-Atlantic region and that is headed our way for the middle and latter part of the week. Well, here's the forecast map for tomorrow morning. This red line here representing temperatures is advancing to the north and east. As this high moves off the coast, it sets up the southwesterly flow of air. Most of the precipitation will be north and east of the Mid-Atlantic region by tomorrow morning. New York City still could hang on to a few showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday, but basically very warm and humid in Washington and Philadelphia tomorrow with increasing amounts of sunshine, and that southwesterly flow will continue to push that air into the region, and it'll stay hot and humid on Thursday and Friday, right through Saturday as well. Here's the forecast map for tomorrow evening, Wednesday evening. Southwesterly flow, well established here up and down the I-95 corridor. Temperatures should jump well up into the 80s tomorrow in New York City, near 90 in Philadelphia, and perhaps 90 to 92 degrees in the Washington, D.C. area on Wednesday, and certainly that hot and humid weather will continue on Thursday as well. Let's take a look at the forecast map for Thursday morning. And here's the forecast map for Thursday morning. Pretty much a Bermuda high situation setting up here. Southwesterly flow up and down the eastern seaboard. Well-established hot and humid air by Thursday morning here. Again, the period from Thursday through Saturday looked to be really the first heat wave of the season, with 90 degrees plus in the Mid-Atlantic region from D.C. to Philly to New York City. Plenty of sunshine and humid conditions on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. By the end of the weekend, we'll be looking at this frontal system here that'll be crossing the middle part of the country on Thursday, and that'll reach the Mid-Atlantic coastal region Sunday night time frame, perhaps early Monday morning with some more showers and thunderstorms. A little bit cooler behind that the early part of next week. But first hot and humid air mass of the season for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday headed our way after a wet transition period today. The heat and humidity will really be noticeable on Wednesday, and especially Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's it for now. For the SIWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.